Trees are nature's beautiful gift, reminding us of life, tranquility, and beauty. If you want to bring a touch of nature to your home or office walls, tree wall art is an excellent choice. This art not only enhances your walls, but also creates a romantic and serene ambiance. Why choose tree wall art? 1. Feel of nature. It compensates for the lack of greenery in urban life. 2. Versatility. It complements various design styles, including modern, traditional, and boho. 3. Deep symbolism. Trees represent life, growth, and strength, adding positivity to your space. Types of tree wall art. 1. Canvas paintings, hand-painted or printed tree landscapes. 2. Metal art. Tree designs made from iron or aluminum, sometimes enhanced with lights for a dramatic effect. 3. Wood art. Carvings on natural wood pieces or sculptures made from tree branches. 4. Wall decals. Adhesive stickers that can be easily applied to walls. 5. 3D wall art. Three-dimensional tree models that transform your wall into a magical forest.